whole building is burned through! Holy fuck. Oh shit.
Can't
believe what I'm witnessing right now. They're all hitting this guy, I think, because he threw a stone. Yeah! They're firing more tear gas down there. Did you get in the fire? Bloody hell, man. And the police have moved all the way back. Absolutely insane.
These are all corrupt conditions.
You think they're corrupt?
This whole system is corrupt.
Yeah. That's why we're all protesting here. Well, you've pushed them back here. You were over here, right? And you pushed forward. For the first time in my life, I've just experienced tear gas. Welcome to Nepal. This is going to get dangerous real soon. It's time for me to get a little bit backwards. Tear gas, tear gas, tear gas, tear gas. Let's start running. You can see them. Ambulance over there. Tear gas is being thrown back by some guy. He's just fucked his hand up doing that. There's an ambulance.
Instead of putting some like injured people, they are putting just government people or police so that they can attack us or they can save them. So this is the major like problem which we have. Yesterday they did same thing. They just like took political member to save from us, not the victory, not the like injured people. So much like corrupted this.
Well, this is quite literally insane. They have pushed the police all the way back over this way, all the way down. We've just come from there where that Skyland lounge is, and now everyone's up here. The journalists have come into the crowds, it seems, no longer being protected by the riot police. Fires over there, you can see those big plumes of smoke through that tree line. Has come up here, they're trying to get into this gate. God, look at this. Look at this guy. I can't believe what I'm witnessing right now. There's tear gas right there, again. That plume of smoke in the background, I didn't catch it on camera, but that's a petrol station apparently blown up, a gas tank.
Our government is very corrupt because they kill 20 people yesterday. They are very bad. The KP Sharma Oli.
Brother, are you okay?
I'm okay,
yeah.
Because tear gas affect my eyes and...
I know, I can see it, my friend.
Yes.
I can feel it, my friends, too. They're firing off tear gas over there as well again. Look at the sheer amount of people. Over here, to the left of me, they're putting down all these railings. They're now trying to get into I don't know, I believe it must be some government office. All the barbed wire being pulled down. The riot police in there. Just fell down. Tear gas. Some guy covering his eyes, getting away from it all. I'm from England.
So how long it's been you've been here in Nepal?
1 day.
1 day?
Yes.
It's your first time here?
No, it's my second time. I got stuck because I need to ship my bike from Kathmandu to Dubai, and yesterday I arrived in riots.
This question might be a little bit tricky, but how's Nepal treating you right now? How are you feeling here?
The people are wonderful. I'm not sure what's quite going on. They've broken into this building right here. Oh my god, the scenes of this riot have just got real. What's behind me is hundreds of people breaking through the main gate. There are riot police the other side. And they have pushed all the way. I cannot believe my eyes right now. The whole of Parliament is on fire. People are dancing. None of it is left. Look at it. The whole building is burned through. People holding Nepali flags on top of the fire engines. What the fuck am I witnessing right now?
Fuck politician, fuck Oli!
you using the ball, that so many leaders, they are so corrupted, and that young is coming and they will do that.
I heard, brother. I heard. Nepal government deserves this.
Yeah.
Actually, they deserve this. You know, we don't want to do this by our own choice. We are doing this because they deserve
Yes,
this.
we can beat it. We can Nepal youth can beat it.
This is for Nepal.
People can beat it.
And we will change Nepal. This is the future of Nepal.
No,
KP Oli, Randi Gopal. KG.